So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to see the first round of weekly contest 286. That is, find the difference of two arrays. So I'll just quickly read the problem statement and then we'll see how to approach this problem. So we have given two zero index integer arrays nums1 and nums2, and we have to return a list answer of size 2, where answer 0 is a list of all the distinct integers in nums1 but which are not present in nums2. Similarly, answer 1 will be the list of all the distinct integers in nums2 but which are not present in nums1. Okay, enough reading. So let's see the example to understand the problem more clearly. So we have given the nums1 and nums2, and you can see that the element 1 and 3 that are present in nums1 but are not present in nums2. So the first element of answer will be 1 and 3. And for the nums2, you can see that the element 4 and 6 are present in nums2 but are not present in nums1. That's why the second element of the answer is 4 and 6. Okay. And one thing to note in the problem statement is like it is asking for the distinct integers. But what is the significance of distinct integers? So let's see the example 2. In nums1, you can see that the element 3 is present two times, but it is not present in nums2. And if you see the answer, it just contains only one 3. What does that mean? This means that we are not interested to count the duplicate element. And how we can remove the duplicate element? What data structure we can use? So you might get intuition like we can use the set data structure here. Okay. Because in every programming language, we can use the set data structure to discard the duplicate. So now we are more closer to the solution, like what we are going to use, what will be our approach. So let's see the example one. So what we can do is we can initialize two instances of set data structure. First will contain the element of nums1 and the second will contains the element of nums2. Okay, now after that what we can do is we can run a for loop for any one of the set, and we will look the element of one set into the other set. If it contains, that means that both the nums1 and nums2 array contains that element. But if it does not, that means that we have to include that element in our answer list, and we doesn't get the ambiguity of having the duplicate element. So I think that approach can work. So let's try to implement this and see what it results. So at the very beginning, we will declare the two instances of set data set. After that, we will fill our both set by the nums1 and nums2. So our first set, that is A, will contain the element of nums1, and the second set, that is B, will contains the element of nums2. After that, we will create our answer vector. So it will have this form. So we will simply copy it and we will name it as our answer. After that, we will declare two empty vector that will contain the required element of both the arrays. So now it's time to iterate in the first set and check for all the elements that they are present in the other set or not. So we'll use the for loop and we will write the if condition set p doesn't have the element x. We will simply put in answer variable. Similarly, we will do this for other set, and when we are done, we just have to put both variables in our answer. After that, we just have to return our answer variable. I hope that this approach will work. So let's try to run it and see what it returns. So you can see that our answer is matching with the expected answer. So let's try to submit it. So it got accepted. That means that our approach is right. So for any doubt or any query, you can comment it down. I will try to resolve it. So I hope that this approach is clear to you. So let's meet in the new video for the different problem, and happy lead coding.